Siya ang kagahapon mo. Ug ako ang ania karon. Mura na kong si Lula Basha. Si Lula Basha. Nag-drink ug milk ang akong baby. Suot ko anti-radiation ako nga sunglasses. Bag-o na ako napalit. Palit na ko. Palit na ko ang katunga. Ang katunga kay kuan utang. Hap-hap pa ni siya. Sunod na ako bayaran ang ako ang kulang nga katunga. So ing ana siya. Down payment lang tapos ang full payment ba din. So no, ing ana siya ang kinabuhi. Di ta mabuhi ug wa tay utang. Long time no video. Just now, karon lang ang among video. It's long time. And wala pa dyan prepare. Wala pa dyan prepare ang mama ni Hasan. Baby king ni mama. Wala pa dyan ka nag-prepare mama nga mag-video ka karon. Mura ka guwak-guwak. No, I'm not prepare wear my clothes. It's kaliwali. I cannot be social. I am just normal. Okay? Yeah. Like that. My life is so simple. So, yan yun. Ayokong magpaka-social-social kasi hindi naman ako social. Diba? Hindi talaga ako social. I'm not social anymore. I'm just normal. Sometimes abnormal. Like that. Ganda ng camera ko ngayon. My camera now is good. Tarong daw. Pero naman kaning anak na ako, mura na dyan ni siya kuan. Pero maganda yung camera ko ngayon. Malinaw yung mukha ko kahit na malabo yung damdamin ko, yung pag-ibig ko ngayon, malabo. I love my camera now. It's very clear. It's not same of my love life now. It's too much blurred. My love life is too much blurred. I don't know why. So, don't know. Kanyang akong baby, ang na siya didi, og tarong nak. Pagtarong ba? Ikaw na. So, yun ang buhay namin. Abnormal pa rin. 2025 na. Anak ko. What you want? Look si mama. Nag-video si mama. I drink, what I drink? The cold drink. So, I'm like that. Yeah. I look like old. I am a grandmother now. I am looking at, seem like a grandmother of my eyes. So, but I'm not grandmother, okay? What you want? Just now you wake up, sa? Atin ang nose ni mo, pi ang kulangot. Hasan mapi mag-crying na. Wala man kagiunsa nga mag-cry man ka. Why you crying? No one hurt you. Look at my clothes. This is t-shirt and this is a dress. So, the neck is too much big and now it's cold, so I wear like that. I don't care what happened for me. The important for me is I have clothes. So, like that. As a way. Sa? No? I'm just simple mother with a ugly face. Ugly face. Face. I don't know the pronouns. What is that? Face. Yeah, I'm crazy. So, ganyan yan. Kamusta pala kayo? How are you, anybody? How are you all? Ambot, oy, unsay English, anak. Kumusta mong tanan dere, guys? Welcome home. Yeah. Tagal-tagal na itong YouTube ko. Hindi pa na-monetize agad. YouTube, please. Monetize my YouTube again. So, I can pay my debt. Debt. Hindi ko marunong mag-pronounce. Uy, I don't know to pronounce. I'm sorry. I'm so kuan, ambot. Pag sit down, nag-video si mama. Dali na. Video ni mama, sawa-sawa. May binako. And my son is already big now. He is already big. Big boy na. Gulihay sa ang vlog ni mama. Hello, welcome back. Tarong daw imuhang. Wala imuhang clothes hinak. No, don't get anything. Don't get anything. You're not here. Tarong good na kayo. Pagpabungol-bungol. So, my son is, don't get that one. My son is already big now. Yeah, he is big. He is coming 2 years old. This month, February 12, he is... What is this? I cannot get. February 12, my son is already 2 years old. His birthday is February 12. He is already 2 years old and February 12. Yeah. Oh, he is still breastfeeding for me. Even he is 2 years old, but I will I will run away this house. So I finish na my breastfeeding. I'm run away this house and I find work so I can earn my money because my YouTube is don't have earning. If I'm not run away, I cannot make my house. So like that, I want house. I want to make house of my baby, my father like that. So this baby is too much trouble me. This baby is too much trouble me and I cannot handle anymore. So what I do, I go work. And if I have house, finish, I go to Philippine class. I'm not wish anything. Okay, just my wish is I can build my house and go Philippines. I don't care na my life, anybody, any kling. So this one, I give his father. This, I give this father. If it's okay, I stay here. But don't have money and I don't have earnings. I have a lot of utang, debt, so how I pay? My problem is my utang. And also, don't get ang kuha na ako ba? Magsige man ka mag-trouble sa ako. Magsige samok-samok. Kita kang hamis kayo ni akong kamera. Kaya basig mawala. Mapalong ni basig unya. Inigplay na ako sa akong kamera. Hanap na siya. So, may pampers ang akong anak. I will buy tomorrow. So, my son is 2 years old na and lutaso na nako ni siya. Kaya mangita na ako trabaho. Kailangan ko nang magkabahay. Kasi 30 years old lang na ako. Yung goal ko sa buhay, mag 30 years old ako, magkabahay na ako, makapagpagawa na ako ng bahay. Pero until now, wala pa akong bahay. 30 years old na ako. Yung napundar ko lang mga anak. 4 na beses yung mga anak kong... Oh my gosh! So, I'm so fat of my body now. English ng tala-tala. Nag-practice lang ko mag-English. Actually, di ko kabalo mag-English. Ako ni Balan is yes or no. Pero kaya abnormal man ko, makakara na ako ang mga English nga, what sinanggo. So, mauna. Ang mga English nga, what sinanggo, I can carry them to the kuan, ambot. Big naman ang akong bebe, oy. May tao naman ikaw, oy. May tao naman niya. Ako maning layasan ng bataan, eh. Sige, gilak-hilak. Bisag walay rason, sige, gilak-hilak. Gusto guro ni siya, layasan ako. So, lalayasan kong batang to. Maglagot ko, sige, gilak-hilak. Bisag wala giunsa. Lagot ko. Sige naman kong kabuang. Wala lang ko anak ko. Sira lang ko kabuang. I don't know. Kuan man gud kay ma-stress man gud ko sa akong mga utang. Wala ko trabaho ba. Unya akong utang binulan. Pila man nakabuk akong ang loan ko kasi. Daghang kong loan. Duha, isa, tulo. Duha, isa, tulo, upat. 5 kabuok ang akong loan. Wala ako trabaho. Naimpas na unta na ako. Nakaloan na pod ko. Nasan? Kinabuhi ani eh. Sige na lang mantag kalon. Sige na lang og loan si Mama Sod. Ay, dara ang gud ang ako. Sige ako loan. Utang is life man good. Nako sa. Andaro na ko ang Iwasin ko just sucks. Iwasin ko sucks. So, yeah. What you want, Nak? Gi-open man na nimo tanan ang akong clothes. Ang mga... So, wala akong bra. Wala akong bra. Wala akong bra. Hay! Dili ko.